Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's 5 o'clock in the morning, you guys. I'm super tired and I'm going to start off my day with this apple cider vinegar drink. So let me show you guys what I'll be using. I got this apple cider vinegar at the grocery store because I couldn't find Bragg's for some reason. They ran out of it at the store that I normally go to. So I got this one. It's organic apple cider vinegar with the mother. I guess it's okay. You always want the one with the mother. And I took it because it was organic and it kind of tastes the same. I'm also using organic cayenne pepper, turmeric powder that I got sent from my mom back home. So I guess it's organic. And I use it on everything, you guys. I absolutely love turmeric powder. And black seed oil, and whatever I showed a while ago was organic ginger powder. So the black seed oil, I've heard so much about recently. My friends at school always tell me that it's really good for your immune system, and everybody always brags so much about it. So I wanted to try it. I got it and I've been using it every morning and every evening. So the first thing that I'm going to do for the apple cider, I'm going to shake it so I can get everything, going in there. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of that into my glass. So you guys, have been going through a lot with my health lately, so this is why I'm starting this new apple cider vinegar cleanse. What I just added was a pinch of cayenne pepper. I like a lot of cayenne pepper, and I'm gonna add also a pinch of turmeric powder. As you can go ahead and add all these spices to your apple cider vinegar if you want to, but I've seen other videos where people add just baking soda and apple cider vinegar, and that's totally fine. You can have just water, lemon, and apple cider vinegar. That's okay too. But I feel like these spices really boost everything in your body. I feel like it makes it so much better when everything's working together, especially ginger is good for you, and cinnamon or cayenne and turmeric is good for you. So yeah, I'm adding a teaspoon of black seed oil to my concoction. I feel like both of it together would work really well. If the apple cider is working good and the black seed oil is working okay, I think it's gonna work even better together. What I didn't show you before was a lemon. I'm gonna add just a little bit of lemon juice to that. And I'm gonna just mix it all up together and then add some water. So you guys, what has been happening with me lately, I just had surgery to do my I had laparoscopy done, which is the removal of my gallbladder, and I had like so much pain with that gallbladder and I couldn't handle it anymore. So now that my body is like really dependent on my liver to digest my food and stuff, I want to try to really get my body to be a little bit healthier than what it is right now. Like, I have changed so much what I've been eating. So I'm really starting like new. It's like a fresh start for me. So I just mixed it with 1.5 cups of water. And I'm just going to drink it up. You guys, it's morning. Never mind how I look. So I'm just going to do this every day, every morning. If I can't do it in the morning, I'll probably do it every morning or evening, just to, make me feel better. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out my other videos, and I will show you updates every week. Bye guys.